Welcome to this heart-opening practice. Today we're exploring the Camel Pose, or other names Ustrasana, a powerful backbend that boosts energy, improves our posture, and opens up the entire front body. Start by coming to a kneeling position with your knees hip distance apart. Place your hand on your lower back with your fingers pointing down. Inhale, lift through your chest and lengthen your spine. As you exhale, gently press your hips forward and start to lean back. Keep your chest lifting upward, like your heart is shining towards the sky. And if it feels comfortable, reach for your heels one at a time. And otherwise, if your lower back feels a bit heavy or tight, then just keep your hands on the back. Let your head follow naturally as well, either staying neutral or releasing back. And just deep breaths here. So with this pose, we are opening up the chest and the heart area. We are releasing tension from the upper body, and we're helping improve the posture. So we're working with the Anahata chakra, with our heart chakra, and we're expanding this, balancing this chakra, opening ourselves up to love, to compassion, to empathy, and especially to self-love. This pose also gives a deep stretch to your chest, abdomen, hip flexors, and thighs. So this is very beneficial if you have an office job or a job where you need to sit many hours a day. And we are also strengthening our back. Alongside, we are improving the spinal flexibility, which is extremely important with our overall body's mobility and with the energy movement as well. So the more flexible the spine, the more youthful we are, and the more energized our bodies can be. So these back bends, they are naturally energizing, and this camel pose, it is stimulating the nervous system. We are helping lift the energy, combat fatigue, and improve also mental clarity. So it's overall benefit. We are really breathing deep here, and we're doing this beautiful benefit and healing to our body. We are also opening the throat chakra. We are deepening our breath, expanding our whole body. Now start to slowly come back up. And just to give our back a stretch, a counter stretch here, we're doing a cat-cow pose. So when the head comes up, we breathe in, and when the head goes down, we breathe out. And do it with your own rhythm. We're releasing any tension and just releasing tensions from the body, and energy can move freely up from the spine, from the lower part of the spine to upper part of the spine, leaving us feeling absolutely energized and amazing. So this camel pose is a beautiful blend of strength, openness, and energy. I recommend you practice this regularly to improve your posture, boost confidence, and your overall well-being. So thank you for flowing with me today, and don't forget to like, share, and follow more for more yoga sessions. Bye!